Hi, I'm Robin Bensley. Welcome to Chow Time. I often hear people say, I do not like anchovies. And I have a theory on this. I think if someone gets a pizza with anchovies, there it is, this just bold, naked anchovy laying on top of that slice of pizza. And you take a bite and it's so salty and pungent. And you go, ooh. Or also a Caesar salad, which anchovies are often put in those. Once again, they're all on their own, and they're so briny, and it just hits you like a ton of bricks. I can understand why people may not like anchovies. However, I have a recipe featuring anchovies that I think you'll love. Someone, my cooking friend, who loves anchovies in any shape or form, and that would be Elizabeth. Hi, Elizabeth.
Hi, Robin.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Now, actually, you have a reputation for liking every single thing as far as food goes.
In the world. Yep.
In the world.
Anything.
Okay. Tell me one thing that you don't particularly care for.
When I was in Scotland, haggis wasn't my favorite thing, but I did eat it.
You did?
That would be it, though, probably.
Chitlins?
They're great.
Gizzards?
Great.
Monkey brain?
I've never had that.
Let's
try
for
it.
you.
Let's go to Africa.
Well, anyway, I think you're going to love this poached salmon with this lemon anchovy sauce.
Sounds great.
So, you want to hang around with me while I
Yep.
make it for you?
Sure do.
Okay.
As long as I get to eat it.
Absolutely.
We're not doing catch and release. Okay.
We start off in the food processor with 3 egg yolks. That's going to make this sauce so very rich. Then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of brown mustard. A teaspoon of minced garlic. And now come the dreaded anchovies. You know, most anchovies that you get, in America at least, come from Europe. In fact, these are from Italy. And they're packed in oil, which is normal. And I'm just going to kind of break them up a little bit, put them in the food processor. This is about 2.5 ounces worth. And you know, these anchovies have been used as far back as the ancient Romans. They would make sauces with it. They'd put it on just about everything. And you know who invented anchovies, like deboned and skinned and in the oil? Some guy named Giovanni from Sicily in the mid-1800s. He came up with that and apparently made a lot of money from it because in Italy people love anchovies in everything. So we've got our anchovies in there. Then we're going to add 1/3 cup of sour cream. And we'll give it a spin. Now, with the motor running, you want to add about 1 cup of olive oil. All right. Now I need a finger.
Okay. I could do it from the lid or from the...
Just put your finger
All right.
right in there.
Nummy. I need some more anchovies.
Of course. By the way, have you ever heard about, would you ever try a fisheye? I know there are some cultures in in African country. You've eaten a fisheye?
Sure, I get the trout from Costco, and they're the eyes in it, and I've eaten one.
You have?
Yeah.
Is it kind of like a grape?
It's good.
Oh, jeez. You will eat anything.
It was.
Oh, good Lord. And now I'm going to take this lovely anchovy sauce, scoop it into a bowl, then I'm going to add the juice of a half a lemon, blend that in, and then what I want to do is pop this in the refrigerator to chill it down, because I want to serve hot poached salmon with this cold sauce on top. Now we do the salmon. I'm going to poach it in white wine. So you want about a cup or so of white wine. I did put a little bit of olive oil on the bottom just so it wouldn't stick to the bottom. Then I have some coarse black pepper. I want to put a good amount of coarse black pepper over that salmon. And this goes under the broiler for about 15 to 20 minutes. That's all it takes. Oh, look at that. Spoon this lemon anchovy sauce all over the top of this. And then it needs a little sprinkling of fresh herbs. So this is some parsley. Take a taste.
Oh, I can't wait.
The woman who eats anything.
No.
Take a taste. Tell me what you think.
All right. Lovely. Absolutely lovely. It's a great, very good.
Now for me.
Beautiful flavor.
Here's the thing. Poached salmon is always good. But the sauce is so complex.
Very good.
It's so packed with flavor, but you don't taste anchovies. You just know that it's a fantastic, flavorful sauce. Yeah. So people who claim they don't like anchovies should try this, don't you agree?
Yes, definitely. It doesn't, but I love anchovies, but the flavor isn't there, but it adds flavor.
Oh, it adds so much flavor.
It's very good.
Mm.
Much better than haggis.
Okay, now, what about tripe?
Tripe's fine.
What about pickled pig's feet?
Pig's feet are fine.
Well, you like entrails of any kind, right?
Dim sum, entrails, yes.
Oh, good Lord. Okay, well.
Okay, but I like lamb chops too. Just a little hint.
What about crunchy peanut butter?
That's all right.
Well, I can say this, Elizabeth. Cheers, and you are a cinch to cook for.